Namaskaram. This is an important message to all the students who are struggling hard during the pandemic, trying to manage their own health, family's health, studies, financial conditions, and other linked problems which have arisen due to the second wave. It includes problem arising out of your employment and articleship also. For all of you who are going through a tough time, let me tell you three important things. Number one, this tough phase, a tough time is universal. Never in the history of humanity, the entire class of people or the entire world faced a particular problem so uniformly. It is affecting all the countries, it is affecting all the class of people, it is affecting all ages of people. So please understand, you're no exception. Nobody is an exception. So the whole world is going through this. So you have to stop thinking about it too much and get adjusted to it. This is one part of it. Number two, the current phase which we are going through. If you remember last year when I was like 2 months or 1 month old, I was doing similar videos. Basically, in the lockdown, we don't have access to our office and she sleeps on me most of the time whenever I'm with her. Now, what happens is, in a different setup, in a different ecosystem, it's not just about having physical infrastructure, but mentally, you are into the dad mode. When you're into the dad mode, the entrepreneur in you would take a back seat. So naturally, you would not be performing at the same level. Similarly, if you go and study in a library or if you go and study in a study room, yes, the productivity would be definitely better. But now you have to understand that this is a bigger role. If you ask me right now, taking care of my daughter is my first priority. Her mother is still in isolation. It's been 2 weeks. She is still having some symptoms. So obviously this is my first priority. But having said this, we are still continuing our sessions, we are still continuing our programs, and we are doing our best to continue and maintain the status quo. And this is happening. The reason being, if you do not waste a lot of time thinking about the problem, if you directly start working on the solution, you'll see that you'll figure out a way. Your brain and your mind has the capacity to continuously figure out solutions, and that's how we have been born with, right? So please accept the situation once again and start looking for available solutions. However it works, just do it the way it works. That's it. People will understand. And now is the time to focus on the substance over form. Always focus on the substance over form until everything becomes normal. You'll see that you will be able to solve many things. And the third important thing, successful people are not those who get the best of the resources. That may happen, but it's not about getting the best of the resources, but the ability to make the best utilization of the available resources. Whatever resources they have at any point of time, they'll make sure they make the best utilization. And right now, even if you're stranded like me in a different place, different setup with limited capabilities, just use that capabilities and make sure you complete a part of the syllabus, whatever is possible. If not, improve your health. If not, improve your memory techniques. If not, improve your routine. If not, start working on your I would say meditation plan. Start building immunity so that you can sit longer even at a later point of time. Do whatever works. Do whatever you can do. Do not worry about what exactly should ideally happen, which is not going to happen. Okay, so please keep all of these things in mind and ensure you take good care of your family, you take good care of yourself, and good times will start. Until then, please focus on basic aspects of life without worrying about everything else. Hope this video is helpful, and I wish you a very, very safe sailing throughout this next 2 weeks, because it's going to be brutal. Please be super careful. Okay, thank you.